And sometimes you have these transactions that are loose, that don't match for whatever reason, and those trades fail, and they cost tons of millions of dollars and whatnot. What we're doing, number one, is first speeding that whole onerous process of emailing, phoning, and faxing and spreadsheets, okay? You don't have to go read 80 pages to find that data point and then go to another document and find 80 pages in that one to find that data point. We bring it all together. The AI kind of remembers it and organizes it for you. We've done the homework to do that. Now they can start trading, because that's how the banks and the asset managers make money. The moment you can start trading is how they want to be. They just say, I'm JP Morgan, I'm looking to sell 50,000, and Citi's like, I'm looking to buy 50,000. And at the end of the day, you have to map these transactions, and what they do is they do a best guess. They'll say, okay, we got 50,000 shares of Facebook being sold here, 50,000 being bought here. Okay, let's map them. That's how it was done. But it may not be you and me who really did the trade. They're just reconciling the books, because at the end of the day, you at least figure out how much money is supposed to sit in each bank. But then sometimes you have these transactions that are loose, that don't match for whatever reason, and those trades fail, and they cost tons of millions of dollars and whatnot. But what we're doing is we're organizing the data so that we can clean up all the mess that happens after you trade. That's what's missing today. And so once we do that, because we're doing everything up front in the pre-trade space, we can dictate everything that happens downstream, the trading and post-trade space, how that business is going to be done. It's massive. And the reason why no one's tackled this part is no one wanted to do the homework. And in Sapphire, we cleaned that up. We're like, okay, here's how they map, here's what it really means, and we allow these firms to continue doing the business the way they do it, so they don't have to change their habits. The system helps reconcile that.